Yeah. Been sick past 4 or 5 days. Seems like every time this year I get one thing after another. But I kept trying to sleep it off. Couldn't get through it, so I decided to come out here and work through it. Spent about 6.5 hours grinding these welds and cleaning all the undercoating off. Well, not all of it. A big part of the undercoating off the back here. The guy that owned this car before sprayed a rubber-based or tar-based undercoating all underneath here. Been trying to clean it all off using slow paint reducer. It's an expensive process because that stuff's like $60 a gallon. That's 60, not 16. Ooh. But got all the welds ground. Yeah, probably been spending the last hour cleaning all the undercoating out up off the firewall up there. Wire brushing whatever rust is left, surface rust that was on the toe boards of the firewall there. Whew. Got all this cleaned up. I'm gonna call it quits tonight. I have a bunch of errands to do tomorrow. Gotta go contact a lawyer and gotta go to the post office and get some paper or something signed from an attorney. Don't know what all that's about, but anyway. So I gotta get to bed early and get up and go take care of that tomorrow. But just give it an update. I hadn't done anything in about 4 days. So that's what I did today. Slow at it, but steady. Maybe tomorrow afternoon I'll come out here and try to get all this scuffed with 320 and put some epoxy on it. Let that dry overnight, and then put the seam sealer down around all the edges and any places. There's a couple of spots where my welds had a couple little pinholes. I can't remember where they are now. I think it was on the other side, but anyway, that's the update for today.